Hey, what's up guys? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing okay. As for me, I'm doing alright. So what I got for you guys today is this mini ping pong table. It's pretty cool. Got this a while back ago. I got this the same time when I got that little pool table. Yeah, I just want to show you guys what this is. And this is the back of the box. Pretty cool there. Sweet little table. I really love it. I got this at the time I got this at Marshall's around, I think it was like back in 2011, 2012. Anyways, so this is everything you get in the box. Here you get 2 paddles, you get the board, you get this net, and it's pretty cool because this board actually comes apart. You take the net off, you can take this board apart, and then you can put cups here and play beer pong. Or you can just put this back in, and then you have a table again. You could even lift this side up, or like any side, you can just lift it up and then it'll be like a wall, and you can just practice by yourself. It's pretty cool. I like this table a lot. There you go. Pretty cool table. And then the ball, it comes with a really crappy ball. Kind of like the kind you see at a liquor store in like a pack of 6. Those are meant to be played with beer pong. And those are the ball that comes with this table. They're like really crappy, so I threw them out and bought some of these balls. These are good ball here. They bounce forever, and you can do spins with these. Man, that was awesome. Alright, that was fun. So overall, I really like this table. I really do highly recommend this to, anybody, all ages. This is so fun. And yeah, that's that. Thanks for tuning in.